Welcome to CrowdForce. We all know mobile phone coverage maps don't tell the true story. Dropouts and black spots create frustration and are damaging to business and individuals, and at times just plain dangerous. Existing applications collect data, but it's not readily available to use or overlay with other information to put it in locational context. Some councils revert to using drive-by surveys to collect data on specific areas with limited success. What we need is a single, reliable data source. The only way to really understand the user experience is to crowdsource the data. Accessing data from individual phones under all conditions from people like you and me. CrowdForce reaches out to the phone network, reporting on your signal strength and type. We collate all that information to understand where the phone signal is great and not so great, then visualise that data to understand the environment where there are issues. And don't worry, we don't collect or store any personal data. So how does it work? Let me show you how. Here is the app screen. See, it automatically collects signal and location. We can just submit that right now. Or, if we want to manually identify a spot we know has troubles, we can do this manually also. More conveniently, we can also set it to automatically collect the data at regular intervals. Some signals are collected and some are skipped due to redundancy of data. And of course, some signal collection fails, indicating that on your trip there might have been some spots of no signal that need to be investigated further. Future versions of the app will include more advanced functions, such as deriving failed signal location based on nearest successful signal collection point, uses speed and height above sea level. So, why would you want the app and where is the value? Well, besides from doing your part to improve connectivity in your area, there are some nifty features with many more planned. We include a map where you can check phone signal and filter by carrier to compare. And you can search by location to check where you're going, like away for the weekend or on that long drive. The plan is to have the app on as many devices as possible, from local, state and federal government workers to staff of local businesses through to the general public. It will be free to install. The more data, the better. And again, nothing personal is collected. And those responsible for making sure our phone networks are the best they can be, well, they need real data to build business cases for improving that network. They get to analyse the data and place it in the context of the greater community and their needs. Analysing demographics such as population and minority groups to understand the impact of black spots. Looking for relationships such as remoteness and numbers of dwellings to determine the best location to invest in new infrastructure. And overlaying any number of other data sets such as existing black spot locations and points of interest. And managing the data is simple and intuitive, with uploading and editing layers achieved through the browser-based map editor and without requiring a high level of skills. There are plans to integrate other existing functionality also, to include creating catchments to compare signal data to defined areas and profiling those areas, and leveraging the extensive range of open data available through Queensland State Government, such as car crash and crime statistics. By simply dragging and dropping data such as CSV files into the map, instantly creating interactive visuals. So let's get a crowd together and help us build a better mobile network through sharing information from all of us.